Hello and welcome back to Joe's Math Tools. In our session today, we will be simplifying an expression by applying our distributive property. And if you're ready to see how this is done, let's get started. So in our example today, we are going to be simplifying our expression by applying our rules for our distributive property. And remember that our distributive property tells us that everything that's inside our parentheses will be multiplied to the term that's on the outside. So let's begin by applying our distributive property to our first parentheses. So we're going to be multiplying 8 times q, which will equal to 8q, and we multiply our 8 times 5, which will equal to 40. And now that we have simplified our first bracket, we're going to move to the second one. And in this distribution, I would also be distributing my minus sign, which will operate as a negative sign in the distribution with my 4. So I will be distributing negative 4 to q, which will equal to negative 4q. And then I'll be distributing my negative 4 to my negative 3 or my minus 3, which will equal to a positive 12. So now that we have already applied our distribution, we're now going to begin grouping or collecting our like terms. So we have 8q and 4q, and remember that in moving this 4q, we are moving it with the sign that's in front of it. So we will have 8q minusing our 4q, and when 8 minus 4, this will equal to 4 and q. And then we're going to simplify our 40. That's going to be added to our 12. So we have 40 plus 12, and when our constants are added together, this will equal to 52. Okay, so there you have it. We just simplified our expression to its simplest form. And since we have a term that has a variable and one that doesn't, which is our constant, that means that we cannot simplify this expression any further. But as always, remember to practice some additional questions, continue to develop your skills, and when you're ready, we'll be right here in the next video on Jules Math Tools, where we aim to make math easy.